I'm standing beside the Vector 3SP, EnvisionTEC's answer to your digital manufacturing needs. The Vector 3SP comes in two versions, the standard at 100 micron layer thickness and the HD at 50 micron layer thickness. Building upon 6 years of reliable, in-the-field service, the 3SP technology, which stands for Scan, Spin, and Selectively Photocure, offers superior surface finish with EnvisionTEC's 15 years of software development. Three key areas of adoption of the 3SP technology have been in medical devices, injection molding, and precision casting. Because the Vector has the capability of self-calibration, the ease of use of the machine is the best in the industry. The Vector 3SP is transforming the additive manufacturing space due to its low cost of ownership, ease of use, and great materials for application.